Eiman Jahangir here, and I'm excited to share with you guys what I've been doing since my space flight, because while it was the destination, space was never the end goal. So here, check this out. What I want to talk to you about today is that you can chase crazy dreams. You know, if you have big, wild dreams, that's okay, and you should keep those dreams. And if you set your mind to it, you can do whatever you want, whatever that goal may be. Hello, I'm Dr. Eiman Jahangir. I'm an astronaut cardiologist and an educator. The space stuff was kind of crazy because I grew up, and my first recollection of rockets was in Iran. You know, the bomb sirens would go off and we'd have to run to the basement. In a lot of ways, I'm living the American dream. You can be an immigrant, you can work hard, and with the right support, raise up to do big things, you know? You can be the person that breaks that glass and shows the kids behind you that you can do this, you can have these dreams. Thank you all.